How are you? Well, actually, I'm just having a cup of tea with my buddy Tim here. Welcome to Man v Tools. What we're doing is just really having a cup of tea. What else
We are. And a fantastic cup of tea it is. Very strong and incredible. A bit like this tool here, Andrew.
Oh, what a lovely lead in to give me a little chance to tell you exactly that. What about this? This, of course, is a combination. You might know it as a mitre saw. Now, Tim, this is going to love this. I want to show you all around it, but it's got so many, it's packed. Absolutely packed with features that you're going to love. When it comes to you, it's going to be like that. I call it crouching dragon. I don't know why I call it that really, but it gives a bit of an idea. Because when you pull the button, up it comes. It's now a leaping dragon. Do you think? I think it's quite clever, that really. We're cool. Keep that in. We're not going to cut it out. It's staying. Okay. Now, what else have we got? It does just about everything you need. It will cut mitres, and you know what a mitre is? A mitre is like you get on a corner of a picture frame. So it will also cut those, but also if you've got skirting, it will cut an internal mitre as well. This is absolutely brilliant for everybody, whether you're building sheds, doing stud work, and I'll just take you a little bit around it, Tim, and give you some idea what it got. It comes with a tungsten carbide tip blade, which means that is the best, really. Release, all you do is pull that over and it will come down. So that is not, as you can see, the blade moves or the guard moves away once you're ready to cut.
Yeah,
lots of different features on it.
I see we have some numbers here, Andrew, as well.
Oh yeah, you're right, absolutely. Now, remember we talked about mitres. Okay,
yes.
So you can do any mitre with this you want, anything literally from a 45, you can see 30, 22, whatever you want to do. And you do that very simply. Unlock, so if you watch this, you'll hear it go around, watch. So I can change the angle both ways to which I want to cut. So we now can cut different angles, i.e. if we've got like frameworks to do, etc., etc. And also if you're doing roofing, if you're doing stud work, again, these angles can be really handy. And of course, we bring it back to 0, which is going to give us our 90-degree cut.
Sure. And you just lock that back off there and
lock it up, then it's solid to go.
Simple.
But it gets one better. Watch this, you're going to love this. You're going to love this one. Now, I've already shown you can mitre this way, correct? But how about this, okay? You can, by undoing the button at the back, just turn that. Now we can cant the blade over, and what we can do now, this is for your internal mitres, well, on skirting where you've got two that go like that. So really, we've got every angle covered. There's a pun for you. Here at Man v Tools, we're going to show you how you can use this and create some fantastic jobs at home. So what we're going to do now is just show you, Tim, how you can actually cut and give you some idea of the power that you can actually achieve with this machine. I've got a bit of 3/2 timber there. So
comes with a clamp.
Does indeed. Good point. Don't have to use it, but if you want to, you can just attach that to clamp the work down, save using your hand. So I'm just pop on my gogs, and if you have a look at this for a minute and see what we get from. Wow. Look at that, Tim, for a finish. Absolutely brilliant. How quick is that to enable you to cut all those timbers? Think about shed building, stud work, walls, anything you've got to do at home. Remember, we can cut any angle with this. That's just to give you an idea. Now, what happens if we want to put a mitre on something? A mitre is a bit like you have with a picture frame. Remember, we talked about the numbers on the side. Here we go. Here it clicking around till you reach the number 45. Two 45s make 90. And what I'm going to do again is just show you how you can cut a 45 on this. So I'll just put that there. Pop these on. There's one I did earlier on.
Incredibly clean cut.
Look at that. Whoa, round of applause, please, if you don't mind. Nobody's clapping, are they? Well, you should be at home right now because that's how easy it is for you to know how to cut these. So we've now cut, just to show you, some big timbers as well. But let's take it down a little bit and let's show you how you can cut smaller stuff. Maybe you want to create your own picture frame. It's a great idea. Have you ever thought about doing that? Well, let me show you can do that as well because it's so easy to do. Now, what I want to show you here, Tim, is again, different angles. And one thing I want to touch on is just show you finally before we move on, is that this is brilliant. Bring that round to our 0 again. And we talked about or showed you that you can lean it over for skirting. Turn that over. And now you're going to see a whole different angle that you can cut with this as well. So just pop that in.
Perfect.
You get that now, don't you? Do you see that? So now you can see how you can do like box sections, all different angles, that as well. But coming back to doing sort of picture frames, let's do that. Grab me a piece of timber there. Let's go for that top one, Tim.
Sure.
And what we'll do is we'll set this at 45. This is all you can do. You can
Also notice, Andrew, we've got a box of brushes here.
really good point.
What exactly?
Well, there's a little bag of brushes. It comes with spare brushes, and you're probably saying, well, why does that? They're actually so confident that this machine is going to last you a long time. It comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, exchange warranty. What did it just come with?
Fantastic. A 3-year warranty.
So it comes with a 3-year warranty. Now, that means basically, at any time, the only thing that really ever wears out are the brushes. They go with the motor, 2 little screws you remove, and you put in new brushes. That's the only thing that they think will wear out, if they even wear out at all.
So a lot of faith.
A lot of faith in a good machine. Of course, it's from FERM, what do you expect?
Absolutely.
So now we're going to do, to give you an idea how you can create different types of picture frames. So pick me some timbers here, and I'll be cutting them, and I'm going to show you can create and make your own picture frame to suit the pictures you want. This one. I love it. Okay, let's cut those. I'm going to cut, I've got some different thicknesses here. I love it. So we'll cut this one next. Okay, something a bit smaller. What have we got? Let's go for the thicker one here as well. Right. Now, what I've created, Tim, love it. Oh, there's a good one. I can do that just to finish. Let's do that one because I quite like that. It's a good one. Why don't you find that early one? So now, what I've done, I've cut loads of different bits of timber with different angles. Same angle, but different thicknesses. So what you can do now to create your own picture frame, look, there's one. I can layer this. So what I could do is put that on top of that and put it in a little bit. Can you see that?
Sure.
And what I could do now is put that on top of that. So what we've got now, can you see what I've done, everybody? I've actually put 3 different timbers. Now you do the same going that way, and I could then paint that, and that would become a unique picture frame to me that nobody in the world could have, because an extra fact, I'm creating the picture frame to suit what I want to do.
Fantastic.
So remember, any material, obviously wood material, any angle, we can cut it with this combination saw. 3-year manufacturer's warranty.
It's that simple.